Just on the motorway on the way up to Manacor is Majorica Pearls. So looks like it's the big shop. We're going to go and have a little look, see what the girls are interested in, these pearls. So this is downstairs. Oh look, how amazing. And there's a bar apparently, but that definitely looks closed at the moment. Doesn't seem sort of the shop busy enough for a bar, but maybe at some point it is. Or maybe they come down if you want a drink. Fascinating. There's a bloke in there, didn't see him. Waiting. Toilets there if you want a toilet. I guess lots of famous people who wore these Mallorcan pearls before. Maybe this is some of the machinery that was used. Polisher used to enhance the iris of the pearls during the 60s. Wow. Weights on a scale used in the 60s. Racks for immersion of the pearls in the bath process. Don't know what that means, but interesting. Some more models wearing this stuff. And a racks assembling table. There's your pearls on there. Fascinating. Now I'll show you the. Now I've shown you the downstairs. I'll show you the grand scale of the upstairs. I mean, I'm not pearl expert, but there's more than just pearls. There's watches, all sorts of things. Really cool. Fascinating, huh? There's the girls having a little look around. I think they're interested in a necklace or something to take back. The factory's behind. Wow. Beautiful, isn't it? There they are in there making them as we speak. Come on. The women are in there making them. How amazing is that? At work as we speak. Incredible. Make your dreams come true. She has lots to see, lots to do. And Mallorcan pearls or jewellery with a Mallorcan tradition, you know, something absolutely authentic, then this has to be the place, doesn't it? Just look at the colour of those, absolutely gorgeous. 18 karat gold, wow. Well, everything you want here, for those of you who love jewellery, this is the place. Happy girl.